Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lightweight treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the CPU FDYM Portable Treadmill for Home. This treadmill is designed with portability in mind, featuring a compact and lightweight build that makes it ideal for small living spaces and home offices. At just 45 inches tall when assembled and weighing approximately 23 kilograms, it's easy to move around and store. However, the design comes across as somewhat simplistic, lacking the premium feel seen in other models. Performance-wise, the treadmill includes a 3.0 hypermotor, which is decent for walking and light jogging. Unfortunately, the product specifications are limited, and the lack of detailed features like incline adjustment or advanced cushioning makes it less competitive. It does come with handles and a removable desk workstation, which is great for multitasking, but this feature feels more niche than universally practical. The maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds is suitable for most users, but the narrow running space might not be comfortable for taller individuals. While this treadmill is one of the most affordable options, its limited features and a customer rating of 3.3 stars suggest it's better suited for basic use rather than intense workouts. If you're looking for a budget-friendly treadmill for casual walking while working from home, this might be a good pick. However, if you need versatility and durability, you may want to look at higher-ranked options. Pros include its portability and affordability, but cons are its limited features, average build quality, and lack of advanced performance metrics. Coming in at number 4 is the Treadmill Folding Treadmill for Home. This treadmill strikes a strong balance between performance and affordability, featuring a 3.0 HP brushless motor that ensures quiet operation and energy efficiency. With a noise level below 45 decibels, it's perfect for those living in apartments or shared spaces. The running belt is reasonably spacious at 15.35 by 41.34 inches, and its 5-layer shock-absorbing system minimizes impact on joints, making it suitable for users with knee concerns. One standout feature is the manual incline adjustment, which allows users to set the treadmill to an 8% incline for more intense workouts. While this feature is great for simulating uphill terrain, the manual adjustment might be less convenient compared to models with automatic incline settings. The treadmill is foldable and includes built-in wheels, making it easy to store in tight spaces. It also has practical accessories like a water cup holder and tablet holder for convenience during workouts. The Treadmill treadmill delivers solid performance for the price, but it lacks advanced connectivity features like app integration or Bluetooth, which are becoming standard in higher-end treadmills. Pros include its quiet motor, incline adjustment, and compact design, while cons are the lack of smart features and a slightly smaller running area. If you're looking for a mid-range treadmill that's reliable and doesn't break the bank, this is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the RainSpace 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill is packed with features designed to enhance your workout experience, including an 8% manual incline and a powerful 3.5 HP motor. Perfect for users looking to maximize calorie burn, the incline adds a challenging dimension to your workouts, simulating uphill terrain. The motor is impressively quiet, operating at under 40 decibels, so you won't disturb family members or neighbors. The running belt measures 36 by 15 inches and features a multi-layer shock-absorbing system with silicone pads that reduce joint impact by up to 30%. This makes it a great option for individuals with knee or ankle issues. The treadmill is highly versatile, functioning as a walking pad, desk treadmill, jogging machine, and even a mountain climbing simulator. Its compact, foldable design and smooth gliding rollers make it easy to store under furniture or against a wall, making it ideal for small apartments. Additionally, the raised-base treadmill includes advanced connectivity, such as Bluetooth compatibility with the FitShow app for tracking progress and customizing workout plans. The LED display and remote control add convenience, but the running belt might feel slightly narrow for taller users. Pros include its powerful motor, incline functionality, and app integration, while cons are its smaller running area and manual incline adjustment. It's a top pick for users who want versatility and efficiency in a compact design. Taking the number 2 spot is the WellFit Treadmill for Home Small. This treadmill is perfect for those who value portability and functionality in a compact design. Weighing just 29 pounds, it's ultra-light and easy to move, making it ideal for small spaces or for users who need a treadmill that can fit under a desk or bed. The 10% incline feature is a standout, allowing users to simulate uphill walking or trekking for a more intense workout and better muscle engagement. The WellFit treadmill is equipped with a 2.5 HP motor that operates at a whisper-quiet 40 decibels, ensuring minimal disruption while working or studying. It includes smart app compatibility with KinoMap and Apple Health, enabling users to track progress, set goals, and simulate outdoor terrains. The 5-layer anti-slip belt and 8-point shock absorption system reduce joint impact, making it a joint-friendly option. The treadmill also boasts a generous weight limit of 265 pounds, accommodating a wide range of users. While the WellFit treadmill excels in portability and incline functionality, it's limited by its smaller running area, which may feel cramped for taller users. Pros include its lightweight design, smart app integration, and incline versatility, while cons are the narrower running belt and lack of advanced speed options. This is an ideal choice for casual walkers and multitaskers who want a treadmill that fits seamlessly into their home office setup. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Horizon Fitness Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is a powerhouse when it comes to performance, durability, and design. With a 2.75 hybrid motor capable of reaching speeds up to 12 miles per hour, it's perfect for intense workouts, whether you're training for a race or simply looking to get in shape. The 12% incline adds versatility, allowing users to challenge themselves with uphill running or walking. The Horizon treadmill features a spacious 60 by 20-inch running deck with 3-zone variable response cushioning that supports joint health by absorbing impact during every stride. The hydraulic folding system makes storage a breeze, while the featherlight frame ensures robust durability without compromising portability. It's equipped with Bluetooth speakers, LCD display, and easy dial controls, allowing users to adjust speed and incline effortlessly while streaming music or workout classes. This treadmill stands out as the most feature-packed option on the list, making it the ideal choice for serious fitness enthusiasts. While its heavier build might be less convenient for users seeking ultra-portability, the Horizon treadmill delivers exceptional value with its performance, comfort, and smart features. Pros include its sturdy design, advanced cushioning, and high-speed capability, while cons are its larger size and higher weight. If you're looking for a top-tier treadmill for consistent home workouts, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.